guys, in this video I will show you a simple trade I took on Friday on gold. So basically I had the level here. Whoops, let's close this. I had this level and I wanted it to get rejected, and it was at New York PM, so kinda late in the day. But yeah, why I took it. So we swapped this level, then I went to my initial balance and I saw that the one rejected it, and one is very much like overbought, basically overextended, because if you go to the report, let's see, it's breakout days, yep, 0.7, it's only 42%, so let's add instead of 0.7, let's go and add 1. So 1 is 28%, so it's very unlikely to hit, but it did, and it rejected. So I decided to enter on the CISD, basically changes in the state of delivery, and yeah, it was pretty clean, and I targeted the 25%, which if we go to the report by retracement, bruh, 25% is hit 66% of the time, so it was likely it will retrace to the 25. It even broke out on the other side, if you can observe this, but we didn't hit these levels, we just rejected from the New York open low, basically. And yeah, it was a pretty solid trade, and I used the data from Edgeful to basically top tick the market, and it was Friday, so it was bad. I usually don't trade Fridays, but it was a very good A+ setup, so yeah. And also I was looking at the 15-minute rejection block, and basically I could have gotten even a better entry like this, but I didn't. So yeah, if you have any questions about the strategy, about the initial balance, let me know in the comments, and see you in the next one.